Well, greetings, everyone. My name is Keith Jarvie, and my co-issue team leader is Troy Walls. We are Nebraska Extension educators. I am based in Dixon County in northeast Nebraska, and Troy is based in Custer County in west central Nebraska. Our issue team is called Adopt Management Strategies to Deal with Resistant and Invasive Pests. Now, we have always dealt with managing pests in ag and horticulture. What makes these two categories of pests special is that they are usually more difficult to deal with than your standard everyday pests. Now, let's start with a very simple explanation of what makes a pest resistant or invasive. Resistant pests can be any pest that has developed an immunity, for lack of a better word, to one or more common methods of control that may have previously given good results in the past. Now, most people will first think of resistance in terms of chemicals like herbicides or insecticides. Maybe the most commonly and widely known resistance problem in Nebraska is glyphosate herbicide resistance, but resistance to other methods of control like behavioral resistance are also possible. Now, invasive pests generally are introduced from an area outside of the local ecology and thrive in large part because they have no natural enemies that have evolved with them to help keep their numbers stable. By far the most widely publicized invasive pest in Nebraska right now is the emerald ash borer, which has been found feeding on ash trees in the Omaha area. We want to emphasize that these are not new issues. We have been doing programming, research, and extension projects related to them for many years. This renewed emphasis comes with the realization that some resistant and invasive pests are growing in importance and are becoming more difficult to manage. Now, our team consists of approximately 46 members, roughly 18 of whom are specialists and 28 of which are educators. The majority of these members have backgrounds in the agricultural and horticulture disciplines, both rural and urban. The team members are located in every district and spread throughout the state.
As we talk about our resistant and invasive pests, we realize that there is a need for Nebraskans to have information relating to these managing resistant and invasive pests. And it's important that our faculty team recognize that our targeted audiences do have differences in their awareness of the concern, the knowledge and acceptance of the consequences, and the ability to apply best practices and strategies. And as we looked at this need, we came up with two objectives. And we believe that to get the successful control of resistant invasive pests will require the following two understanding and skills. First, that Nebraskans need a fundamental understanding of the concepts and background knowledge that are the foundation of effective management of existing and potential invasive and resistant pests. And our second objective is that Nebraskans will apply integrated pest management practices to address and reduce the negative impact of selected resistant and invasive pests. So this is our take on adopting management strategies to deal with resistant and invasive pests. And we hope that we've given you an introduction today to this important issue and our issue team, and you may contact either Keith or I if you have any questions.